Everyone's talking about quantum computing, but nobody tell you to invest in the companies building its very foundation before the hype. While the big quantum breakthroughs are still years away, a few key players are already delivering the critical AI data and infrastructure needed for this future. Today, we're looking at 3 foundational tech stocks with undeniable strategic positioning and significant upside potential. And the last company on our list is quietly dominating a critical sector, with analysts beginning to reprice its true value. First up on our list, Accenture plc, ticker ACN. The company recently reported its Q2 FY26 results, delivering an impressive revenue of $18.0 billion, which not only beat expectations but also showed robust 8% growth in US dollars. Accenture's strategic shift into AI is particularly compelling. They're not just talking about AI, they're aggressively investing, with plans to deploy $5 billion in acquisitions for FY26, significantly boosting their AI transformation and enablement capabilities. This commitment is already bearing fruit, with the company now boasting over 85,000 AI and data professionals, surpassing its own ambitious goals. Despite beating earnings and revenue forecasts, the stock experienced a pre-market dip, presenting a potential entry point for investors. This often happens when broad market sentiment or specific guidance nuance outweighs strong current performance, creating a temporary disconnect between value and price. Trading at $194, Accenture isn't a flashy startup, but a seasoned giant with a market cap of $121.3 billion, making it an incredibly stable yet dynamic player in the technology ecosystem. Accenture's gross margin stands at a healthy 32.0%, reflecting its premium service offerings. Looking ahead, analysts project a substantial upside potential of 56.1%, with a fair value estimate pushing towards $300.18, underlining the significant gap between its current valuation and its intrinsic value. Its full-year FY26 guidance was even raised, anticipating 3 to 5% revenue growth and 6 to 8% EPS growth, coupled with a $1 billion increase in free cash flow guidance. This performance is a clear indicator of strong demand for its strategy, consulting, and technology services, especially as businesses globally accelerate their AI adoption. For investors seeking a solid foundation in the accelerating AI and digital transformation landscape, Accenture offers a blend of stability, strategic foresight, and substantial projected growth, making it a powerful, albeit often overlooked, enabler of future tech. Next up, Checkpoint Software Technologies Limited, ticker CHKP. The company recently exceeded expectations with its Q4 2025 results, delivering an EPS of $3.40 against an analyst forecast of $2.76, a beat of over 23%. However, a slight revenue miss contributed to a temporary pre-market dip, highlighting the market's intense focus on top-line growth even for highly profitable companies. Checkpoint's strategic focus on securing AI transformation is a major catalyst. With a comprehensive platform covering network, cloud, endpoint, and mobile security, it's actively adapting to new threats emerging from AI deployments. Acquisitions like Lycra and Cyclops have bolstered its AI security and exposure management capabilities, showcasing a proactive approach to evolving cyber risks. This strategy has already yielded impressive results, with emerging products, including email security and SASE, achieving over 40% ARR growth and contributing significantly to subscription revenue. Currently trading at $137.61, Checkpoint commands a market cap of $14.41 billion, positioning it as a significant yet nimble force in the competitive cybersecurity domain. With an exceptional gross margin of 87.9%, Checkpoint demonstrates strong pricing power and operational efficiency. The company's full-year revenue stands at $2.72 billion, with subscription revenues growing 11% year-over-year, underscoring its robust recurring revenue model. Despite some investor caution regarding growth acceleration, analysts see considerable upside potential of 27.2%, with some targets as high as $260. Checkpoint's role as an indispensable cybersecurity provider, especially in an AI-driven world where data breaches are increasingly sophisticated, makes it a critical infrastructure play. Its solid financial and strategic acquisitions position it as a resilient and high-margin investment in a perpetually growing sector. Finally, NetApp Inc., ticker NTAP. The company recently delivered strong Q3 FY26 results, reporting revenue of $1.71 billion, a 4.4% year-over-year increase, and non-generally accepted accounting principles EPS of $2.12, up 11%. Both figures comfortably exceeded guidance, demonstrating robust operational execution in a demanding market. NetApp's strategic positioning revolves around its unified data platform, which is specifically optimized for AI workloads. This is evidenced by the launch of the NetApp AI Data Engine, developed in collaboration with NVIDIA, a clear signal of its commitment to supporting next-generation computing needs. The company's all-flash arrays achieved a record quarterly revenue of $1.0 billion, growing 11%, and it secured approximately 300 AI customer wins in the quarter, with a significant portion of those deals already in production. This indicates not just sales, but real-world implementation and reliance on NetApp's solutions. Public cloud services surged by 27% year-over-year, and its Keystone storage-as-a-service expanded by approximately 65%, highlighting a successful transition to recurring revenue models. Currently priced at $103.68, NetApp holds a market cap of $20.63 billion, making it a compelling mid-cap opportunity for investors looking for exposure to the underlying hardware and software powering the digital economy. NetApp boasts an impressive gross margin of 70.5%, reflecting its strong product and service value. Despite facing headwinds from unprecedented memory price inflation, the company proactively implemented price increases and adjusted strategies to maintain profitability. With a full-year FY26 revenue guidance of $6.772 to $6.922 billion and substantial upside potential of 21.2% based on a median analyst target of $117.93, NetApp offers a stable yet growth-oriented investment. The company's consistent dividend payments for 14 consecutive years, coupled with its commitment to returning free cash flow to shareholders, adds an attractive income component to its growth story, making it a critical, under-the-radar enabler for the future of data-intensive technologies. Now, let's put all these numbers together and see how these three foundational tech enablers stack up against each other. Starting from market capitalization, Accenture, at $121.3 billion, is the undisputed behemoth, dwarfing NetApp's $20.63 billion and Check Point's $14.41 billion. This reflects Accenture's global professional services reach, contrasting with the more specialized, though equally critical, offerings of the other two. In terms of top-line revenue, Accenture again leads significantly with $72.11 billion, showcasing its expansive global operations. NetApp follows with a robust $6.709 billion, driven by its data infrastructure solutions, while Check Point generates a healthy $2.72 billion from its high-value cybersecurity services. Now, let's talk profitability through gross margins. Here, Check Point absolutely dominates with an astonishing 87.9% gross margin. This illustrates the immense value and intellectual property inherent in its cybersecurity software, where costs of goods sold are comparatively low. NetApp also impresses with a strong 70.5% gross margin, reflecting the premium nature of its storage and data management solutions. Accenture, while having a lower 32.0% gross margin, is in line with a professional services firm that has higher operational costs associated with its vast workforce and project delivery. Looking at upside potential, Accenture offers the most compelling projected growth at 56.1%, suggesting a significant undervaluation according to analyst estimates. Check Point comes in next with a 27.2% upside, and NetApp, while having already seen a 29.0% one-year change, still offers a solid 21.2% upside potential. For investors seeking income, Accenture and NetApp provide attractive dividend yields of 3.3% and 2.0% respectively, showcasing their financial maturity and commitment to shareholder returns, whereas Check Point reinvests its earnings for growth and does not currently offer a dividend. Finally, earnings per share tell us about current profitability on a per-share basis. Accenture leads with $12.32 EPS, followed by Check Point at $9.85 and NetApp at $6.08, all indicating robust financial health within their respective niches. This table truly highlights the diverse strengths and unique opportunities each of these foundational tech enablers presents to a discerning investor. So, these are three foundational tech enablers building the backbone of tomorrow's advanced technology landscape. Which of these companies do you think is best positioned to capitalize on the AI and data revolution? and why? Drop your insights and predictions in the comments section below. And if you're looking for even more undervalued opportunities in the tech sector, don't miss our video right here.